I have to do this for you. You have to behave on our sleeping behaviors.
Understand.
Okay, I understand. Later at night. I don't want to behave on my dad's sleeping behaviors. I know, I'll play a very loud noise on my dad's sleeping behaviors.
Oh my god. How dare she?
What? How dare you make that?
When her parents got to her room.
Oh. How dare you make that very loud noise in your dad's sleeping behaviors?
That's it. I'm taking your phone right now.
Go back to your bed right now.
The next morning.
How dare you make a very loud noise in our sleeping behaviors? That's it. You are grounded for 50 days. Go to your room right now.